Let's use Excel to find the range of some data. So let me type in some numbers. 5, 2, 4, 8, 22, 33, 1, 5. And I'll come over here and I'll just give it a description. Down in the next cell in C4, I'm going to do equals. And I'm going to type max, beginning parentheses, A1 colon A8 minus min A1 colon A8. Now the equals is our formula, and the max returns the largest number in this range between A1 and A8. The largest number will be 33. Minus, and then the min returns the smallest number in this range from A1 to A8, which would be 1. So 33 minus 1 should give us 32 when we press enter. And that's how you can get the range using Excel.